I'm Wendy.
And I'm Kim, and we are here with you today for the Beekeepers Buzz for April in the Northeast region. We are very excited to talk with you today because it's spring.
Yes, finally. The weather is slowly warming up and then getting cold. It's been very hard for us to get into our hive, so today, luckily, we do have a nice day. Okay, in April for our region, the weather could still be a bit unpredictable. You want to check to see if your bees are bringing in pollen. If not, you may need to substitute with a pollen patty or dry pollen.
Okay. But only add a half of a patty at this time as the weather warms, or you'll risk wax moths laying eggs in that patty.
Yeah. And bees will consume more food at this time, and the queen will be rearing brood. So it is important to feed with ProSweet liquid feed when the temps are consistently 50 degrees or above. You will want to feed your bees liquid feed as soon as you install those packages into the hive. Stay clear of full inspection for a couple weeks, but make sure to check that the queen was released from her cage 5 to 7 days. And then only check quickly to make sure that you have liquid feed available at that time.
Right. A question that we do frequently get, I know you've gotten this on your phone calls, is how long to feed. And for new packages, you can feed as long as they take it. By mid-April, depending on where you live, you should not have to add a pollen patty, but it really depends. There should be maples and willows budding, as well as skunk cabbage, crocuses, dead nettle, wild strawberries, dandelion, elm, and poplar trees blooming.
Yep. And for overwinter bees, you will want to conduct a full inspection when the weather is 50 degrees or above, and on a calm day, no winds. We will be showing you a full inspection in our apiary today. We will be looking, finally. We will be looking for eggs, how the health of the bees appear, brood patterns, health of the queen, and if we can spot her.
That's always a funny trick to do.
Yep.
Take a look for swarm cells. By the end of this month, they will be looking to swarm. So if you need to take preventable measures, such as providing more space or making a split, we have great videos on splits and the Damari method.
Yep.
This is also a good time to switch boxes if the bees are all up in that second brood box.
So if you have a weak colony, you may want to combine a stronger colony, but ensure that you see that there is no queen presented before doing so. Another question we get, I know I get it especially on the phone.
Yeah, I'm getting this a lot lately.
Right, is if you can reuse the frames in hives that didn't make it over winter. Can I give that honey to a new package? Yes, it's a good idea to remove the dead bees from the frame, so it gives the healthy bees less work to do. But drawn out frames give a new package a nice head start.
That's true. We've all reused our frames.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. You will want to clean up the hive by brushing any dead bees and debris out of the hive. But if the frames have a little bit of mold or something on there, you can actually put those back in. The bees will clean that up. But ensure you have strong frames and replace any where the wood or plastic is damaged. Take off the hot boxes and insulation and hive covers if the weather permits. You can always take a look at any dead bees to look for signs of disease.
Yep, definitely. If you see signs of nosema, you want to remove any feed and clean up those hives. It's contagious and those bees can spread to other colonies. You may want to conduct a mite check to monitor mite levels and determine if treatment is necessary at that time. Place your orders soon before we sell out. They are selling out all of our packages are sold out as well. So we do have nukes available. In there you do get 5 frames of bees, brood, pollen, honey, and a laying queen. The queen is not marked, but we do sell queen catchers if you would like to mark them in your hive yourself, and we do have other tools that you can go and mark her as well. This year's color is blue, which Kim has right there. Now is the time to get started planting native seeds or flowers for pollinating. Most honeybees are attracted to blue, white, yellow, and purple blooms. We do sell excellent pollination-friendly seed mix called Bee Lawn.
Due to the loss of forage, increased weed pressure, pesticide use, and pests and diseases, pollinators need our help. Each bag of seed mix, which was developed by the University of Minnesota, has been shown to support more than 60 bee species.
So it was just announced this week that commercial honeybee colony losses are projected to reach between 60 and 70% in 2025. Over the past decade, annual losses for colonies have typically ranged between 40% and 50%, marking a significant jump this year.
In order to combat such severe colony losses, WSU scientists are working on methods for widespread varroa mite control, awareness on commercial honeybee colony management practices, and new research on bee nutrition in the hopes beekeepers will have better access to healthy food for their colonies.
Okay, so if you have any questions about our video today, please comment below. Let us know how your inspections are going. We love to hear from you.
Absolutely. That's all we have for today for the month of April before we head out into our apiary. So we will be taking you along. We want to do an inspection in our hive. So please like and subscribe for more videos. What else would you like to see more of? We hope you have a great month, and we hope you have great luck with your bees. Bye.